Okay, here is our problem. Alright, we're going to say Gabriel does 1/2 of his homework right after school. He does 1/4 of his homework after supper. And he does 1/4 of his homework in the morning. How much of his homework does he do in the morning each weekday? Well, he does 1/4 of his homework in the morning. Alright, so the question is, how much does he do over the course of 1 week? So how many weekdays are there in a week? We're only worried about school days or weekdays. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So there are 5 days, and the question is how much over the course of 1 week. Okay, so we're going to multiply this by 5. Question is, how do you do that? Well, you use your whole number as the numerator, and the denominator is 1. Because this fraction bar is a division sign, all it means is 5 divided by 1 equals 5. So those are equal to each other, right? 5 divided by 1 is 5. This is saying 5 divided by 1, which is 5. So we can do this really simply. We're going to multiply the denominator. So 4 times 1 is 4. And 1 times 5 is 5. So he does 5/4 of his homework in the morning over the course of the week. 5/4 is an improper fraction. An improper fraction is one that has a numerator that's bigger than the denominator. So I want to change that to be a mixed fraction. Well, I know that 4/4 is 1 whole, right? So if I subtract 4/4 or 1 whole from this, I am left with 5 minus 4 is 1, and the denominators are the same. So I'm left with 1/4. So he does 1 and 1/4 of his homework in the mornings over the course of the week. Alright, so let's say that they were asking us how much homework he does over 7 weekdays, combining what he does after supper and what he does in the morning. So that would be 2/4. 1/4 plus 1/4 is 2/4. And then they're asking us to multiply it by 7 days this time. So how would we do that? Well, we would rewrite this as 2/4 times 7 divided by 1, which is 7, right? So 4 times 1 is 4, and 2 times 7 is 14. This is an improper fraction, right? Because 4 can go into 14. The numerator is larger. We need to fix that. We're going to turn this into a mixed number. So what we do our multiples of 4, and we try to get to 14 without going over. So let's see, 4, 8, 12, 16. Okay, so that would be going over, right? So we need to stop at 12. So it'll go in there 1, 2, 3 times. 3 whole times plus what's going to be left over? Well, we did 12, right? So 14 minus 12. And that's 2. Okay, so 2/4. 3 and 2/4. Okay, what's an even simpler way we can say that? Right, 3 1/2. Good job. Because we know that 2/4 is equivalent to 1/2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. Good job.